Freeze. This is a lightning bolt, stopped 100,000th of a second after it was born. Its core is thinner than your thumb, and it is 30,000 degrees, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Tonight we're going to replay this moment 10 million times slower. Because everything you think you know about lightning, even which direction it travels, is about to flip. First, we need a storm, and a storm needs a factory. A thundercloud is a 12-kilometer engine of wind and ice. Inside, ice crystals and hail collide millions of times a second. And every collision steals a little charge, like socks on carpet. Light crystals carry positive charge up. Heavy hail drags negative charge down. The cloud becomes a battery the size of a mountain range. And below it, the ground notices. Meet the rod. Bolted to this roof 40 years ago. One job, still waiting. Tonight the field grows so strong that grass hisses, fence wires whine, hair stands up. The air itself, one of nature's best insulators, is about to lose. 300 million volts are looking for a way down. And here's the twist. Lightning doesn't just strike, it builds a road. Watch slower. From the cloud base, a dim violet thread stabs downward. This is the stepped leader, and you have never seen one. It's 50 times too faint for your eyes. It jumps 50 meters, stops, decides. Jumps again in a new direction. Each jump takes 1/1,000,000th of a second. Each pause 50 times longer. It branches, hits dead ends, tries again. A river of possibilities, feeling for the ground. The whole descent takes 20 milliseconds. To the sky, that's an eternity of decisions. And as the leader nears the ground reaches back. From every tall thing, trees, cranes, the rod, glowing streamers strain upward. Here's the part almost nobody knows. The connection happens in mid-air. 50 meters up, a streamer touches the leader. The circuit closes. And this is the lightning you see. The return stroke, a wall of current racing EP the finished road at 1/3 the speed of light. The flash doesn't come down, it goes UP. You've been watching lightning backwards your whole life. 30,000 amps slam through a channel the width of your thumb. The air in that channel hits 30,000 degrees in a few millionths of a second. And air that hot doesn't warm up. It detonates. The channel explodes outward faster than sound, a shock wave you've been hearing your whole life. Thunder isn't a rumble from the gods, it's the air's scream, arriving late. Light reaches you almost instantly. Sound trudges 3 seconds per kilometer. So count. Flash. 1, 2, 3, boom. That bolt was 1 kilometer away. The long rolling grumble? That sound arriving from different parts of the same crooked road. And the flicker? Look closely. Lightning reuses its road 3, 4, 5 times in half a second. Never strikes twice is a myth. The Empire State Building takes about 25 hits a year. Right now, as you watch this, lightning is striking the Earth 44 times every second. There's a lake in Venezuela, Catatumbo, where the sky performs nearly half the nights of the year. The atmosphere has always been this busy. You just blinked. So what about you? 2 rules, 1 hero. Rule 1, if you can hear thunder, you're in range. Go inside. Rule 2, a car is safe, but not for the reason you think. Lightning rides the metal skin around you and leaps to the ground. You're sitting inside a cage. Rubber never saved anyone. Geometry did. And the hero? Remember the rod. 40 years on that route. It was never there to attract the bolt. It's there to offer something better. The easiest road to the ground, so the bolt doesn't go looking for one through a bedroom. Tonight at 3 in the morning, the winning streamer is the rods. For 70 millionths of a second, it is the brightest thing in the city. Then it goes back to waiting. Nobody in the building ever knows. So here's tomorrow's superpower. When the sky flashes, don't flinch, count. 1, 2, 3. The light was a road built in 20 milliseconds and burned in 70 millionths of 1 second. The thunder is just the story of it, arriving at walking pace. And the loudest sound the sky ever made. It circled the Earth 4 times. That story is right here.